Beats Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be yet another very interesting tutorial, but before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys a very quick hairdo to do when you're in a hurry to go out, or if you cannot cornrow, this hairstyle is for you. So I'll be using this clipping extension from Curlsqueen company. This is their Kinky clipping extension, which fits perfectly with our natural hair. Like when you straighten our natural hair, it fits very well. I did this hair without even doing a cornrow. Like, it didn't take me time. It will take you more than up to 30 minutes, you know, to just finish up this stuff and you're good to go. Like, you go from a short hair to a long hair in just 30 minutes. Like, and I love the way it looks. And the great thing about clippings is that it's versatile. You can style it so many ways, you know, anyhow you like to style it. I'm going to show you guys some other styles here in this video. So I'm going to put all the information about this hair extension in the description box below. It is a 1 bundle 10 clipping extension. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below, and now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So this clipping is 1 bundle and it has 10 clippings in total. So first of all, I'm going to start off by applying some hair cream on my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and pat out a small section in front. Since I'm going for a side pattern, I decided to get a small section of my hair in front on the side. So after patting it out, I'm gonna quickly secure my hair, just doing like a loose big cornrow on it. You can just pack your hair into a bun if you cannot cornrow. So now I'm gonna, untie the clipping and I'm gonna start putting it on. So here I'll be starting with the longer clippings at the back. Each of the long clipping has 5 clips. So I'm gonna start with it at the back and I'll work my way up to the front. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my heat protectant to protect my hair because I'm going to straighten my hair with a hair straightener. So I'm going to section my hair in mid So I'm going to section my hair into two equal parts, and then I'm going to comb it very well, and then I'm going to stretch it. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. After stretching it, I'm going to brush it to blend it in very well. Yes, this is what it looks like. I really love this clipping extension. They just look very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys another way to style this clipping extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair in front, on the side, and at the back like so, because I would like to put this clipping into a bun. So you guys can see what I'm doing. I took out the clipping and I'm just repositioning the clipping, you know, to fit the style that I want to do. So now I'm done doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch all my hair in front. And after stretching it, I'm just going to brush everything to blend everything in. And then I'm going to use the comb, the tiny comb, to blend it in very well. And this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this. You can just do this another day after doing the other style. Yeah, this clipping is so versatile and it's just so amazing. I'm going to go ahead and just add more clippings before I'll do the ponytail. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the hair in a ponytail. And after putting it in a ponytail, I decided to just wrap the ponytail around as well. And this is what it looks like. Very nice. And that's what it's gonna be, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.